Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on Huawei Nova Y70. So in order to do this, you'll need to get the RAR app, and we've shown you how to get that in our other video. Now let's open it. From here, find the files that you want to pack, and mine are located in DCIM and then camera. Let's select each file that we want to pack. Click on this arrow, plus button, then go for the archiving options and here change any. So very basic ones are to pick a name, change the extension of this file to be RAR or zip, set up the password, let's use very simple 123, and after that click OK. And that way we've just created camera.rar file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.